Hi. I can't. Are we live? There's Avra sending messages. Yeah.
Look at that. Look
All
at
right.
that.
Yeah. Nice. We're trying. we're trying to go live on YouTube, LinkedIn, and X at the same time for the first time. It's also the first time that Martin and I have ever gone live. Avra is usually like running the show here. We have no idea what we're doing. Maybe we know what we're doing. We don't know what we're doing with this live streaming platform. So I think it'll be fun. Oh, someone just dropped off because I said that, I think. We know what we're doing, guys. Don't worry.
No, we don't.
All right, let's give it a minute. And we're gonna just go. Okay, yeah. Cool. I'm Viral. This is Martin. We're both co-founders of Databutton. We decided to start doing some live streams where we build stuff live using Databutton and maybe some other AI tools as well. We just kind of want to show what the process of building with AI is like kind of in an unfiltered way. Talk about what it's like to kind of get from an idea to something working, something real, without kind of the just like all the polish around it. Just like what actually happens, debugging issues, troubleshooting, getting things to look the way you want them to, connecting with the services that you need, whatever the case is. Martin, do you want to add anything?
No, just building stuff.
Autumn is here. Wow, noise.
All right.
Just popping
What are we
over
building?
popping
What
over
are
my
we cooking?
Julebrus. I'm just having this is a Christmas soda, Julebrus in Norway. We are gonna build an AI version of Instagram. The idea is that, okay, so I'm 37, I think. Yeah, I'm 37 years old. Instagram got huge when I was in my it's like the music that you love when you're in your 20s, like the same like products that you loved, right? Like when you're in your 20s. So like everything was like mobile for me. I was like, oh man, Instagram's the best thing ever. Kevin Systrom, like big hero, building that huge company with 13 people. What would it be like to build something like that using AI now? And let's see if we can learn some things along the way. Should we go for it?
Let's do it.
LFG. All right. I'm gonna share my screen. I also want to say I'm so glad to have Martin here because I'm a total scrub when it comes to building stuff. Let's see here. It's very fun. Like I think before AI stuff, like the most that I did was like build websites. So I think it's pretty fun to be able to do something pretty powerful. Okay, so let's see. What can we help you build today? I want to do.
What's the prompt? What's the prompt?
A cyberpunk version of Instagram that where users generate images using prompts instead of uploading images. All right, so
let's do it. Cyberpunk.
We'll be there in a jiffy. All right.
Cyberpunk.
What does that mean to you?
What's the last Cyberpunk app you built?
I'm always building cyberpunk apps. Like that's the future. So, can we like tell the people what's going on here? So, this is the Databutton workspace.
It's doing its best to build a cyberpunk Instagram. That's it.
I mean, it's pretty obvious. I don't know what's taking so long. All right, so it's thinking. There's a plan. So it's doing an image feed. Main feed displaying generated images. Cool. Prompt input component. That's for entering image generation prompts. Makes sense. So you write what you want to get generated.
How is it generating images? That's what I want to know. There we go.
Okay, backend needs.
Dolly, let's go.
Dolly. Cool. Wow. There's a lot of thinking going into this first generation here.
Hang on, dark theme, neon accents. Oh, that's a cyberpunk one. I think you might get an. I think you might get a an animation. That's what I think.
You think so? Let's see.
You might sneak in a little animation. Yeah.
Yeah. So Martin, have you ever built any mobile apps?
Yes. Many a mobile app. None in the cyberpunk theme.
No. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I'm not sure how many apps exist in the cyberpunk thing because it's more of like a gaming thing, or perhaps like Blade Runner. Okay, cool.
Let's
So
see.
prompted for secret value. Please provide your OpenAI API key. Cybergram. All right. Let's see here. Let me create
Oh,
a
that
new
is
key.
shockingly bad. All right, put in your Becky.
Yeah, that was a.
I don't want that. Redo.
Okay, well, we got the key. Let's do a redo. Should we just do
cyberpunk?
describe your cyberpunk vision? Okay, should
Oh,
we?
absolutely. No. Absolutely. Ask it to redesign it in cyberpunk. That's what I want. That's what I want. Please do.
All right. Okay, fine. Can you redesign this whole
Yes.
thing in cyber? Did you say cyberpunk?
Cyberpunk.
All right.
Cyberpunk.
This is more like Parliament Funkadelic.
I'm into it.
All right. Let's see what happens.
It's
I wonder
Casey
what
and
it
the
thinks.
Synthesizer band meet Mad Max. Let's make it more. Let's make this more cyberpunk.
glitch effects, scan lines, and a more aggressive aesthetic. Okay.
All right, let's go.
I'm sure this is gonna move in the right direction.
Grid background. I like that.
Enhance the prompt input with it.
Yeah. This is the one.
Okay.
Did you add your OpenAI key, by the way?
I did. Maybe we can try this while we're waiting.
I can't even see what's there. Yeah, give it a shot.
Yeah, it's a little bit hard to read. It says describe your cyberpunk vision, but it's like
cyberpunk vision.
Well, maybe we can find out what it thinks cyberpunk. Oh, it's updating the UI now.
Let's see the glitch. It's coming. Oh.
Well, it's
tinted it a little bit.
Oh, your digital canvas awaits. Enter a prompt to
Oh.
generate your first cyberpunk masterpiece.
All right.
It's a weird color palette that it shows, I feel like.
Screenshot it and ask if it's happy.
That's a great suggestion, Martin.
Why, thank you. Screenshot it. What do you think?
All right.
Is this cyberpunk?
That didn't.
Just ask that.
Let's see here. Taking the screenshot. Trying to pop it in here. There we go. All right. Let's see here.
Think, Chief?
Have a look at this, boss. What are we thinking?
Yes. We're cooking live here. Give us a good design.
Cooking live.
It's coming. Okay, maybe actually send it the updated screenshot.
Oh yeah, that's true. Fair enough. Oh, whoa! Did you see what I saw?
I take it back, actually.
Ooh. Inject your vision. Okay.
All right. Let's see.
Have a look at this, boss. What are we thinking, Chief? We're cooking live. Give us something good. Let's just go for it.
Let's see. In the meanwhile,
let's try generating something. Cyberpunk vision. Materializing your cyberpunk vision.
No. I think you need to do this one. Leo Sayer and Casey and the Sunshine Band meet Mad Max. Let's see the.
All right.
I think that's. Oh wow.
Well, okay, that works. Okay, so let's see. Casey and the Sunshine Band meet Mad Max. So we have a working app. It's just that the UI could use some work. This card is not that bad, though, I have to say. With a little hover effect and everything.
Neuralink disrupted. Try again. Oh, wait. What did it say? Content policy violation. Your request was rejected as a result of our safety system. No. It's copyrights, no?
Yeah, it must be Mad Max copyright.
Do Mad Ben?
Can we do like a description of Mad Max somehow? Like Casey
Oh man, this is getting good. Oh, this is getting good.
Whoa!
I like it.
Oh,
This is the
yes!
one. This is the one.
There we go.
All right, we got it. Okay.
That's. I mean, this is just.
Now we're cooking.
This is perfect. Now we're cooking.
All right, what are we looking at?
I'm kind of shook right now at this design. It's so good.
What's your vision? This is very simple.
Oh yeah, okay. This is okay. So Casey
What's the
and
vision?
the such. Does anybody have any ideas about how to describe Mad Max here? Leo Sayer and the.
Let's go for that one.
Okay, plot twist, typo. It's what? Leo Sayer and Casey and the Sunshine. No, that's I can't use Mad Max, guys.
It's oh, the bottom one is good. Leo Sayer and Casey and the Sunshine Band is in the dystopian disco. It's pretty good.
Oh yes, okay, dystopian disco. Materializing neural projection. Oh my god. Yes.
This is good.
It is very good.
Just say the word and I'll deploy it. Hey, give us some cyberpunk custom instructions. Can you do that?
Yes.
I wanted to talk in cyberpunk lingo.
Okay.
Let's cook.
Let's cook. Where are you? Okay, custom instructions. I want you to speak only in cyberpunk lingo from now. No, that's it. From now on, it's always.
With a funk flair, of course. But yeah.
With oh shoot, okay. With a funktastic flair. How about that?
There we go. Nice.
Yeah,
okay.
That sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
What's next?
What is next? Oh, look at that. Oh my god.
That's pretty good. That's all right.
Pretty good. I don't really know what Casey and the Sunshine Band actually looks like, to be fair, but I can only imagine exactly like this. What's next is that why don't we I mean, like, I have some ideas. Maybe we can also ask. Okay, so we've made a pretty cool single player app, I guess. But we need to bring this to the millions and millions out there. What?
I mean, the cyberpunk community is starting to become pretty big.
The Reddit cyberpunk community?
Yes.
What do we need to implement to be ready? Just give me ideas.
Right. Okay. Leaning on the cyberpunk AI, not very smart.
Okay. Yo, Netrunner. Yeah.
Here's what we need to. Let me see. Here's what we need to jack up. What? So we need to
jack this system up.
Next level. Public profiles. That's cool. Custom cyberpunk avatars. It's also cool. We're not.
Neural uplink images. Yeah. Neural uplink. I love. Yes.
Well, this is a good shout. Let's do
the mainframe. Oof.
That trending prompt section called the mainframe. Hey, you know what? This is actually pretty good. Let's hold off on the auth thing. Actually, this is much cooler.
This is pretty fun. Where do you think we should go? Trending prompt section called the mainframe.
Well, I'm struggling to decide.
Cybercruise groups.
But at least, like, we need to add some like stuff to like the posts are boring. The app is awesome, but the posts are boring. It needs to
be boring.
What's
it's just a prompt.
World of Cyberpunk.
Hmm.
What's the like? Like Instagram has all this like and share and stuff. What's that in Cyberpunk land?
Okay.
We need to add
that. Okay. We need to add post engagements.
Engagement feature. There it is. Comments, neural feedback, follow system. No, screw that. Comments.
But your suggestions aren't.
Do some cool like. It's probably enough.
Can we do the side? Can we do? What would the like equivalent be for this? Funkiverse.
Yes. For this funk, yeah. That's
there we go. There we go. Oh, it's thinking really hard. Jackson in the mainframe.
Let's see. How about this? I don't mind this at all.
All right. Neural surge.
User search
posts. Okay.
Animation shows neural electricity. All right.
This is so nerdy.
Are these three alternatives? Yeah, that's right.
Power injection. Is It's over 9,000.
These types of large deployments are asking us. Ooh.
Neural sync. I feel like the neural surge is probably the.
All right, let's go. Do it.
Yeah. Okay.
Give me the neural surge.
Give me the neural surge.
We do need to wrap this in some type of auth. I'm not sure how they authenticate themselves in the cyberpunk words.
Yes.
Boogie up or boogie down. No, it's gonna be neural search, this one.
Yeah, sorry guys. We'll have to boogie next time. Which will be soon, I think. All right, what's it doing? It is creating a complete neural surge system. Wow. Neural surge component with a sick animation. Oh man.
Can't wait.
This is yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Initializing a little bit.
Initializing. What does this look like? Oh. Just thing what looks like a desktop. Pretty nice.
We seem to be online.
Yeah. The system is online, that's for sure.
That's pretty good.
It's hard to deny. I really like that, like the animation going down that like chain link fence thing. The pulse, yeah, the pulse. The neural surge.
LLMs are surprisingly good at stuff that humans are really bad at. You don't see that so often.
Yeah, you mean like those animations and stuff? It's like it seems to implement those things like pretty easily.
Just like surge animations. Are you kidding? What the hell? I'm gonna take a look for it.
Want me to hit
ready to deploy this neural enhanced version? Let's see if it loads first.
Oh God, I love that. Okay.
Awaiting vision. Let's see. Add one.
Let's try to add another one.
Yeah, sure. Ask it if it's storing images. I wonder.
Yeah. Are we storing images anywhere?
Yes. Don't write code.
Yeah. Should I write? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. It's like, oh no, we're not storing images anywhere. I'm just gonna start doing
it right away. Yeah.
Let me help you out, sir.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
What does it say? I'm curious.
Oh, it's already going.
Oh, wait, now.
I see that we're currently not storing.
But it is right though. Hang on. OpenAI URLs expire after a short time. We can't persist the images between sessions. We might lose access to images. We should store the images in the storage. Yeah, that's probably a good idea, actually.
Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, but in the meantime, let's check out if we can see this neural surge feature.
Can I do like the cyberpunk boogie woogie?
So, yeah, of course.
That's what I want.
I appreciate the input. You know, it's like hard to think of cool image prompts. Yeah, cyberpunk boogie woogie never would have gotten there. Yeah, it's working.
We don't know that.
We don't know. Well, it's materializing neural projection.
Yo,
Netrunner. Oh no. Oh yes. Okay, well we got to see this. We got to see the surges in action. Like the brain moves back.
No, but why didn't it? Hey.
Yeah, I think.
No, ask. Why doesn't it? It doesn't show the image.
That's a good question. Okay. I just generate, but I mean, like an image. I generated that while.
But I get your point.
Sorry.
You injected your vision, but I get the point.
Yeah. But it's not being displayed in the feed.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's because I generated that while it was like kind of swapping out the back end.
Nah, I doubt it. Let's find out.
I trust you though on why.
I just trust the system.
Yeah, I do too. Said like a true Norwegian.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'd be curious to know though. I wish you would ask it.
I did ask.
Did you?
I did. I just heard an image, but it's not displaying the feed. Oh yeah, no, it was more like a statement, I guess. That's a good point.
Hey,
Let me check if there are any issues. The image display.
Let's see. Yo, Netrunner. Recalibrate the neural pathways. All right, I like it. Do another one.
Okay. What is a Netrunner? Let's figure out.
It should know.
I need to know. I don't know what's calling me. It's like, is that like an insult or is it? The system was using the wrong. Yeah, see, wrong URL format.
What do you know?
Let's see what happens. Nope. Something happened here.
I can figure out what happened. This is cool. I want to know.
Okay. So I just generated another new image. Nothing
actually ask it to understand, like to tell you what's going on.
You read through
instead of fixing it. And we learn something.
To tell me what's going on and why this issue could be occurring. Don't generate code, just explain the problem.
I don't feel like you're talking back in the language that is expecting you to talk back to. I think, it's speaking in quite a cool language. You're talking like a bookie human.
Yeah, I'm talking like a boring 2024 human instead of super cool cyberpunk 2077 Netrunner. Yo, Netrunner.
I see. When you refresh the page, vanish after refresh, but that's not it. This way. But the image isn't displaying. That's the issue. They must have misunderstood you. But just ask it to use the OpenAI URL directly. It's probably trying to do something clever.
Use the OpenAI URLs directly in the feed.
Yeah.
Nice.
We can live with it being like Snapchat meets Cybergram.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Especially for our current purposes, even though we will get it out to the millions.
I am curious. Like, can you look into the image generation backend? I'm actually very curious what it's doing. Is it just like calling Dolly straight up? Oh, core elements.
It's got some. No, it's
JK. This is cool. Selected visuals. Let's see.
Synthwave aesthetic.
It's randomly. That's cool. It's randomly taking a couple of visuals, and then it's enhancing your prompt. I knew it. It's adding some core elements, adding some visuals to the prompt. Oh, that's pretty cool.
I mean, that kind of makes sense because all I wrote last time was Netrunner. I mean, we couldn't see the image, but the first prompt.
Will you do Netrunner now? I want to see.
Go back home. Let's do it.
Do the Netrunner.
It's not showing that sick thing that we had earlier.
The animation?
The one that kind of said that it was working. I forgot what it said.
Just jump back and revert to the version that we had, and we'll continue from there. Not that one, but the previous one.
This one? No.
Yeah,
not that one either. This one, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's the one. Nice.
That is the one. That was before we started trying to store images and stuff.
Jump back into like new thread and let's just wrap it in auth. I want to get this stuff deployed.
Yeah, let's do that.
This one is nice.
All right. New thread.
Yep. Just add some authentication to this.
Yes. Let's add authentication to this bad boy. We can jack into some serious security protocols by installing Firebase Auth extension. It's like having a top-tier ICE protecting your digital fortress.
True.
Yeah. Let's do it.
What?
All right,
Joomba.
yeah.
Let's get that.
All right, Joomba. I don't know what is that.
Page. I like it.
I don't know nearly enough about cyberpunk. Okay, I gotta go to the extension. Click install, and then install some Firebase config. I'll do that. I'll just share that tab real quick. So like, I'm inside of Firebase. We have a little fun project here.
Yo, Netrunner, paste it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Share this tab instead. And then bang. Okay. Install.
Very nice.
Done. It's good. And then we just let our homie know that.
Oh, can you just do like some cyberpunk Google login?
Can we add login?
Cyberpunk login, yes.
Okay. Login. Yeah, let's just start there. All right. Thinking, writing code. Need to create a new login page with cyberpunk styling.
That's
right?
Exactly
Absolutely, it does. The app page should be protected.
Absolutely what we need to do.
Yeah, seems about right. As long as it's like consistently themed, you know.
It's consistently talking to you, at least.
Hmm?
It's consistently talking to you in funky language.
It is.
That's a good part.
It keeps me in like the universe that I've created.
Mm-hmm.
Both in the app and in the chat.
Where would you post this with your name on it? Where would you launch this? What's like a good cyberpunk forum?
That's a good question. I guess like maybe we would have to go to like Burning Man or something. Or is that too like I'm just thinking back to Bad Max now.
I don't mind it at all.
No, that could work. It's not very like, yeah. People love posting images from there.
Okay. So it's okay, it's updated login page, is it?
Yeah. What's it doing now? Update login page with our cyberpunk theme. Deploy the app with new authentication flow. Sick. I wish it would update the "will be there in a jiffy" loading thing to be cyberpunk too.
Yeah, you need to deploy it so you get the full
experience.
The full experience. Oh,
that's a lame name though.
Is it though? Yeah.
Does anybody?
Doesn't say cyberpunk.
Cybergram. That's what V1.0. Okay. No, it's okay. Deploy app.
Yes, please.
Let's do it. Invalid characters. What? I only put cybergram.
Someone's asking if we're planning to add the sense for Superbase. I think so. Yeah, the Superbase flow is actually very similar to the Firebase flow. So a lot of the things are similar. It's just some nuances in the way to communicate with it.
Yeah, we have
actually Dom built something that's really cool.
Dom, one of like a amazing person in our community, built his own custom instructions to work with Superbase, which yeah, it's actually really sick because it's.
I am curious though on like if you have opinions on like Superbase versus Firebase in general. I mean, we're pretty big Firebase fans internally. We use it like for everything. You need to share the link.
Yeah, are there people that have any thoughts on
share it?
What with Superbase? Sorry, share the link.
How can you share it? Do I need to type it in?
Yeah, you just copy it like that. You just do this. Post a comment.
Oh man, you didn't even look at the login page, did you?
I didn't. That was very risky. I'm like a total. I have no.
Oh, you need to add the. Oh, there we go. It just works. What do you know?
Does it just work?
You're not sharing anymore.
No, I know. I'm I'm trying to share the deployed app. Oh, initiate neural handshake. Sorry, it's amazing.
Huh?
He's it's so good. I can't. So good. But it doesn't. It's spazzing out on me on like the actual click. Is it working for you?
Yeah, you have to add it as the authorized domain.
Oh, the deployed. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I can
Is
add
that
it
in?
right now. Yeah, that's in authentication settings, authorized domains.
That's right.
Just add viral.databutton.com. That'd be good.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Let's see here. It's updating.
Cool.
Firebase console. Yes. It's in the Firebase console in. Wait, I think I did it in the wrong spot. Let's see here. Authorized domains, your settings in the top nav. Okay, so it's here. Do you remember where to go? Pardon? Authentication in the top nav.
Authentication under build.
Under build, yes.
Authentication at the top, settings, authorized
Right.
domains. I think I just added it, but yeah.
You did it. Great.
I think so, yeah.
Nice.
Did you add it? Yeah, it's there. All good.
It's still having this like little flicker thing.
I'm seeing it.
Is it working for you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, great. It's not working on mine for some reason. Is it working for the folks in the live stream?
You would know before you see images, right?
Yeah. I'm just I can't log in on mine for some reason.
What do you mean?
I can't log in on my deployed app on my end. Is it working for you?
Let me double check. Just redeploying the app. But I still think that we need to do something with the. Oh, there is actually the liker here. That's
The
nice.
what?
The serger.
The serger.
Search flow.
Yeah.
Can we need like a profile page here, I feel.
Yeah. Are you in the app?
Yeah.
Nice.
Of course I am.
Do you want to share screen?
No, I want you to go back to building.
You want to go back? Yeah. Let's see here. All right.
Need like a profile page, I think. No?
Yeah, let's do that. Mm-hmm.
Let's do it.
Okay, we'll have a log. Yeah, okay. Profile page. Okay.
I think we should build one. No?
Yeah, but there isn't. Yeah, we need a link to a profile page as well. Okay, we want to add a profile page with, of course, the same cyberpunk themes. Where should we have it? It's a little bit because it has the log out thing over here. Maybe we can have it to like No, there's a logout. Sorry?
Where's the nav bar? Like, where would you put like the profile?
Yeah, no, exactly, because there's a logout thing on the top right, but then I think we'd probably want to have a profile at the bottom somewhere. Like if we really wanted to make it more Instagram, like we'd want to have a bottom bar with like the whole like feed and like create posts and profile and everything.
Yeah, one of the questions just keeps coming back to the like the Supabase versus Firebase thing. Dom mentioning that like it's not a relational database like SQL is. It absolutely isn't. But it has some really, really, really cool things. In that you don't need to define all the schemas up front, so you don't need like a lot of migrations all in your app, and at the very least up until launch, and up until like 100 or 1,000 users or something, it does make like development a lot smoother, in my opinion, than just general SQL. But that being said, Supabase is probably the coolest product in that whole sphere that has come out for the past like 5 years, I must say. You doing a profile page or what? Oh, you done one. Where is it?
Yeah, it's working. Got my logged in email address. I guess we should fix that a little bit, like make it cooler. Then we got, huh?
What makes it say that?
Shoot me an email, guys. And then you got neural projections and total surges. It's pretty cool.
That's pretty good.
And then the neural archive is empty. What do we reckon?
What's the neural archive? Is that?
That's like your posts, I think.
Okay.
I think so.
Huh? Try to make a post.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Let's see here. Two dudes live streaming out into the universe. No. What happened? Oh yeah, it just refreshed the app. The app refreshed.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Two dudes streaming out into the universe. All right. Neural projection materialized. Oh, wow. That's totally us. And then if I go, I got surges. All right. Go to my profile.
This is really nice.
There's my neural archive. All right. Sorry.
Does it store things now? Is it gone now, or is it like stored? Oh, look at that.
Seems like it's there. And go to my profile. It's there. If I what?
That's pretty good. No, it's pretty good. You have a neural ID. Congrats.
Thank you. That's what everybody knows me by. The QFTZ KRU1. That's like who I am. Cool. What else do we want to do with this? Or do we have any other questions?
I want to build it out somehow. Just not sure how exactly. But how are you going to not just lose all your money with generating free dolly images? Have you thought about that?
Sorry?
How are you not going to lose all your money?
Like by generating all the time? Oh, like storing the images somewhere so it doesn't generate them? Yeah. I haven't thought about that. That's a problem for
How are we going to make up all your money? How are we going to make back all the money?
Good question. I guess we should store these. What's your thought?
Charge everyone $1,000 per image.
Oh, you're thinking about like adding some payment.
I don't know. How are you going to do it? I don't know, man. How are you gonna do it?
I guess I have to
Tell
have.
me.
I have to have an AI ad network. You know?
That's interesting.
Okay, let's
You
ask.
wouldn't be the first. You wouldn't be the first.
How could we monetize this social media platform for cyberpunk folks? Don't generate code. I'm very curious what our friend here thinks. Our co-conspirator.
Uh-huh.
Yo, Netrunner. Did you add something for it to say that every time?
No. It's your custom questions.
I know. It's just Netrunner every time.
Yeah.
Here's how we could juice up this digital ecosystem. Some Chrome-plated revenue streams. Neural surge credits. Ooh. Enhanced AI image generation with more detailed prompts. I don't mind that. I mean, this is we're starting to get towards Midjourney here.
Yes. It is taking the shape of Midjourney. I agree.
That's for sure. It's like party processing. That's cool. Cyber augments.
on coke driving if I can't make my destination.
What?
That's pretty funny.
Which one?
This one. No, it's an interesting thing.
Yeah.
I think this is from someone who is yet to launch. That's what I think. Soon to be launched.
That's funny. Oh, I didn't see those messages. You guys can add as reference store. We can direct the AI, the current documentation for resources. Nice. Cool. Should we try moving towards one of these directions, Martin? What's your take?
I need your take. Tell me.
Neural surge credits.
I mean, premium features looks pretty good.
We could try this neural surge credits thing. Why not?
What's that? Enhance image more detailed prompts. Further processing. No, it's boring.
No, boring. Fine.
Yeah. I like that.
Cyber augments?
Yes.
Right, let's see. All right.
Do it.
How could we implement cyber augments? Give me a short plan. Don't generate code. Okay. Augment store page. Grid of available augments with neon highlighted previews. Each augment card shows current lock status with cybertech visuals. Install button with circuit-like animation. Oh, that's good. Should we go for it?
Yeah. Do it.
Yeah. Let's do the whole chumba. I don't know if that makes any sense. Let's do the whole chumba. The whole enchilada. I'm in. This might be a big generation. First, we need to create a new store for augments and user customization. Then create the augment store page with available cyber modifications. Update the profile page to show installed augments.
Yes.
Add the purchase installation system.
Yeah. Let's go. Maybe we do Stripe.
Dude, it's already doing it. Finally, integrate the visual effects.
How much would you pay? How much would you pay for a glitch effect on the username shining through the cyberpunk in yours?
I mean, at least like 3 neurosurges.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. Where you at? What are you thinking? Are you a big
No, but it feels very Web3. It sounds like it costs Ether.
Yeah, that's true.
It does sound like it costs Ether to do this.
Yes. Sounds like and looks like. Are we gonna set up payment for this stuff?
If not Stripe, then Web3 Stripe, I guess. Or
yeah, what's a good What's a good service for that? Let's ask. What's a good service for Web3 Stripe?
I can't get over the initial loading screen. That is one of the best loading screens I've ever seen.
Okay, so it did all this stuff. Add cyber. Oh wow, there's a whole marketplace now.
Okay.
Okay. Rare, legendary.
Where'd you get your credits from?
Good question. Insufficient credits. Well, that makes sense. But I have 1,000 here. That's true. Install.
Say that.
Active. Neon pulse signature. Username radiates with a pulsing neon glow. Does it? No. Darn.
Doesn't get you further than that.
All right. So we can implement these things actually working, or we could implement some sort of like credit purchasing system, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Which one?
Let's see. Let's start with the credit purchasing system. How about we implement a credit purchasing system? What are the best methods for that? Don't generate code.
There's a question on Stripe integration versus Firebase integration. Yeah, it does mean extension, I guess, or whatever name or form it should take. Like we've been experimenting a lot with this, and the difficult part currently is that the app needs to be deployed in order to test the Stripe payment flow. But we've been working on we've been working on an extension where we could Stripe has a CLI where you can set up like local webhooks. So there might be an extension which just like calls your webhook endpoints every time there's like a transaction or a payment or an upgrade or whatever in Stripe. So you can develop like have a 0-second feedback loop. We've been doing that on some internal apps we built. So that might where will come.
What do you think is let's see, what would be the best way to make this happen locally?
Zero credits. You're 0 credits.
I've got 0 credits, and it's also recommending that the Grid Runner bundle, it came up with new bundles. Oh, credit package bundles. Never mind. I see.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense.
I just spent $5 on this neon pulse signature. Damn. All right.
Cool.
All right. Let's see here. Stripe integration. Readily available in our package.json. Okay.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. What?
We are planning on a future to export the project.
Yeah.
We are working with someone now to deploy it into their own infrastructure. So basically just deploy the whole app as is into like a custom infra. And then there's also some questions about being able to run the whole thing locally. So there'll be some cool things there.
Let's try this integrate Stripe for payments thing. Okay, I need a Stripe secret key. Do you have anything sitting around?
I have plenty.
Do you want to shoot me one on Slack? Very secret, very, very secure, guys. I swear we don't do this with anything else. All right. Waiting for my main man over here.
Yeah, I'll shoot you one.
All right, all good.
I sent it over our super secret internal super password share.
Sorry, our secure store that we share stuff on. Yeah, that's what we did. Cool. Writing code. But it's gonna be hard for us to test this.
When you say run the whole thing locally, I mean to be able to run the back end and the front end and everything needed. There's a few things undecided on, like as mentioned here, like you have secrets stored with us, you have some data stored with us, that type of thing. I'm not really sure if like that's not so easy to do locally. So I think you might, we're gonna have to figure out that in a good way. You can of course just like export the secrets that you have into some like local stuff, but presumably, but like the whole point is to get these apps launched onto the internet, and at some point it's gonna need these type of things somewhere. But we've been super focused on just making it easy to build and launch all the way. But
our focus has been to like
really, as more and more like the windsurfs and the cursors of the world. I get it. Absolutely.
For sure. And if you have like a case that's just like only for yourself, they're gonna run your machine forever, then that's definitely like
and environment file is but like an environment file is really nice to work with locally, but you get the same issue once you need to store it somewhere, or you're going to deploy it somewhere. You're going to need a database somewhere and a secret store somewhere. That's it.
Yes.
Cool.
Indeed.
Cool. Yes, that's it.
Would you like me to guide you through the process?
Little endpoint. Yeah, just send me that one.
Send you this. I got you, bro. Let's see here.
Nice one.
Yep. And then we'll, I think, wrap it up here. And
maybe next one. Maybe next one we do Stripe stuff.
Stripe stuff?
Stripe stuff. Pull-on payments.
Oh. Yeah.
Where do you share this app? Where can people buy Neon usernames?
I'll leave like a. I guess I'll leave like a second. I can leave a link in the comments on YouTube. What do you think about that?
Yeah, do that. Tips to make clean refresh when adding more code. What does that mean? It's weird.
Can you give some more context?
Might have tips.
Yes, just.
Yeah, we can do. Maybe we should get Simon on. We could do Stripe app. That could be one.
That'd be cool. We can add it to one of his many big time money making apps. That'd be fun.
We could do all of it. Just end to end, all the way.
Love it. All right. Any can I Stripe to yours too? Mike.
You can yeah.
We should add Stripe to this live stream too. No, I'm kidding. Okay, we got if there's like one more question, we could take it. Otherwise, happy to wrap it up here and kind of just continue doing these. If you guys have any like feedback or like things that you want to see or
topics would be cool.
Yeah, topics would be really cool.
Topics would be cool. To shoot up some particular projects, to do some speed builds, do some debugging sessions, like whatever would be cool. That'd be nice. Great dream. Thank you, Michael.
It's the cyberpunk dream.
It's a cyberpunk dream.
Yes, Avra's doing a live stream on Thursday with L, by the way.
Oh, that's cool.
Make sure you check that out too. Yes. Absolutely.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you guys. And
cool.
Catch you next time.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye.